DJI RS5. Buttons. Power button. Press and hold to power on off the gimbal. Press once to enter or exit sleep mode. The 3 axes will automatically lock. Press again to wake up the gimbal. The 3 axes are automatically unlocked by default when the gimbal is powered on, and they will automatically fold and lock when the gimbal is powered off. Gimbal mode switch. Toggle to switch gimbal mode from PF, PTF, and FPV. PF indicates pan follow, where only the pan axis follows the movement of the grip. It is suitable for scenarios such as shooting emerging walkthrough, and arc shots or moving from left to right. PTF indicates pan and tilt follow, where both the pan and tilt axes follow the movement of the grip. It is suitable for scenarios when moving on a slant. FPV indicates pan, tilt, and roll follow, where all 3 axes follow the movement of the grip. It is suitable for scenarios when rotating the camera. In 3D Roll 360 mode, the tilt axis is rotated 90 degrees upwards and the camera lens is vertically upwards, at which point you can use the joystick to control the 360 degrees rotation of the pan axis. It is suitable for rotating shots. In custom mode, you can enable or disable any axis follow as required. Camera control button. After connecting the camera, press halfway for autofocus. Press once to start or stop recording. Press and hold to take a photo. M button. Press once to take photos by default. The function of the button can be set on the touchscreen to C1 or FN1 button mapping, or lock, unlock screen. Press and hold to enter sport mode. Press and hold the M button, while pressing the trigger twice to enter and remain in sport mode. Repeat to exit. In sport mode, the follow speed of the gimbal increases greatly. It is suitable for shooting in scenarios where subjects move suddenly and at fast speeds. Joystick mode switch. Joystick. Push down to set the joystick mode. To gimbal movement control, move the joystick up and down to control the tilt of the gimbal, and move the joystick left and right to control the pan of the gimbal. Push up to set the joystick mode to zoom control. Move the joystick up and down to control the zoom. Trigger. Press and hold to enter lock mode or FPV mode. Settings related to the dial can be adjusted in the system settings on the touchscreen. Press twice to recenter the gimbal. Press 3 times to turn the gimbal 180 degrees. When the tracking module is attached to the gimbal, press the trigger to enable or disable active track. Front dial. Turn to control the focus motor by default. Additionally, the settings can be adjusted on the touchscreen. To modify ISO, aperture, shutter, roll, pan, or tilt. Battery level button. Press once to check battery level. Camera control port and multifunctional port. The camera control port can be connected to the corresponding camera ports for camera control and communication. The multifunctional port can also connect to accessories such as DJI SDR transmission and DJI Focus Pro LiDAR. RSA, NATO ports. Accessories such as DJI electronic briefcase handle can be installed. NATO port,